This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, September 28th, 2011. Let's take a look at this satellite image from last evening. You can see the upper level low located near Chicago with some showers spinning around it. It'll be finally moving to the east, allowing some sunshine and warmer temperatures to build in ahead of another cold front coming in later in the week. Here's the watch warning map from around midnight. Some fog advisories in Wisconsin, some air quality advisories in the Dallas area, some frost advisories over southern Oregon. Otherwise, the rest of the nation was fairly quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock shows some rain over the eastern counties, and that's likely rain that fell last night. So it will be fairly dry for at least 5 to 7 more days. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see the upper level low moving into northern Indiana and southern lower Michigan, taking the cloudiness, the showers, the rain away, and leaving us with warmer conditions and highs climbing back at least into the lower 70s, maybe some mid 70s out west. Maybe some areas could even hit 80. Thursday, a cold front will be moving through late in the day. Northwesterly winds will come in. The front will come through dry. Most of the moisture with this storm system will be over Wisconsin and the UP of Michigan. Friday will be cooler, highs in the lower to middle 60s, maybe some upper 60s, with sunshine and a few afternoon clouds. Saturday morning, the high pressure will be right overhead, so we could see some temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, otherwise low to mid 40s elsewhere, with highs in the mid 60s. Sunday, the high moves off, winds begin to turn to the southwest, and temperatures will begin to climb as a result. Highs mid to upper 60s northeast to mid 70s south and west. Monday, a few degrees warmer, upper 60s to maybe mid to upper 70s across the western counties where it will be warmer, and sunshine statewide. Tuesday, same story, southwesterly winds ahead of a cold front that'll be in the western plains. Highs likely in the lower to middle 70s. A week from today, October 3rd, trough over the Pacific Northwest into the northern Rockies, a southwesterly wind aloft with a new storm system moving in. Some showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm will be moving into the western counties. A week from today, Wednesday night, October 3rd, and that might be the next chance of rain. We move ahead in Voodoo, October the 7th. See a trough over the upper Midwest and another over the Pacific Northwest. One over the Midwest may bring some showers across Minnesota, Wisconsin, and maybe the northern parts of Iowa, with a weakening cold front as it's moving eastward. Later in the week, October the 11th, another more substantial storm system. Earlier in the day, this storm was bringing down some cold air. Here it is not, but it will bring some rain. And at the end of the forecast, October the 13th, a little bit of a ridge over the center part of the country with a bit of a broad trough over the east and over the Rockies. And at the surface, well, you have a low pressure over eastern Colorado and some southerly winds, so some warmer temperatures with maybe some 60s to maybe near 70 by the middle of October. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.